Hey guys, it's Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing my vanity tour plus makeup collection. I'm super excited to do this video. Because I film most of my videos in front of my vanity, I thought it would be the perfect video to give you guys a tour of what is actually behind me in my videos, so you guys can know a little bit more. I know that I love watching these videos and I thought that you guys would like this too, so yeah, that is what we're doing in today's video, and let's just get right on into it. So to the left of my vanity, I have this super cute cake platter and like tray from HomeGoods. And in the cake platter, I just have a Bath and Body Works candle, and it's the scent Raspberry Mimosa. It's one of my favorite scents, and it looks super cute with my room. And it looks just so nice on my vanity. I absolutely love it. I then have my Chanel Hydration Beauty Cream on the tray, and it just like, I don't know, it looks so cute. I have a little rose quartz coaster for my drinks if I want to have coffee on my vanity while I get ready in the morning. And then I have this super beautiful picture of my grandmother. I have a picture of my grandmother here on my vanity because she is just a symbol of beauty to me. She's such a beautiful person inside and out, and I just love her. And so I have a beautiful picture of her on her wedding day on my vanity, and I love to look at it as I get ready in the morning. And the super cute frame that it's in, it's so gorgeous. It is also from HomeGoods. And then I also have just like a little like Serenity room spray. And that is from Bath and Body Works as well. I absolutely love this room spray. It smells so divine. Also, along my mirror, I just have like a little flower garland, and these beautiful like little twinkly fairy lights going around my mirror. It's so pretty. I love it. And that's my cat just chilling on my bed. To the right of my vanity, I just have all my like little makeup products sitting out. In here I have a lot of like some of my foundations and lip products and a few eyeshadows as well. And then I have this super cute tray that I believe my grandma got for me. I don't know where she got the tray from, but I think I've seen like similar ones on Amazon and in like thrift stores and stuff like that. So I think it's pretty easy to find a tray that looks like it. But I got it as a gift from my grandma. And on this tray, I just keep mainly like my skincare items. And in this like little ceramic like bowl, I just keep like cotton swabs. And then in the back, I just have my little like mirror to look like up close, and it also lights up, which is super nice. So this is what the full vanity looks like together. My chair is from HomeGoods. I really like this chair, however it is quite squeaky, but other than that I really do like it, and it's a nice pretty chair. And then my rug I got from Marshall's. And then below my vanity, I just have these designer boxes just sitting on this little ledge. There's nothing in the boxes because I don't think this ledge would be sturdy enough to hold anything like too big, but yeah, I just keep some luxury boxes down there. And now we're gonna get into the drawers, and I just want to say I got this vanity off of Wayfair, I want to say, and it was like a really good deal. It was like $90 for the whole vanity. It's super cute, however I don't really recommend the vanity because it is kind of like not that sturdy. And I mean, you can tell like with this, like look, it just comes apart. So yeah, I don't really recommend this vanity if you want something that's gonna like be super sturdy, but I mean, it gets the job done and I don't really care. I'm very careful with my vanity, and yeah. Anyway, but we're just gonna go into the first drawer. In the first drawer, I have quite a lot of things. So the first things I have are just some makeup wipes. For makeup wipes, I usually use Honest Beauty or the Burt's Bees Micellar ones. And I honestly kind of prefer Honest Beauty a little bit more because, as you can tell, the Honest Beauty one has like a little like, I don't know what this is called. It's like an extra like little seal to keep the wipes moist and not like dry out. This one, it like just like the flap doesn't work after time, and then it causes the like actual makeup wipes to dry out and not really work. So with these, like, they'll just dry out and I'll have to like wet them with a little bit of water. And these ones, they just stay like wet and I don't have to like do all that. So I kind of prefer the Honest Beauty ones over the Burt's Bees, but Burt's Bees is really nice, like, don't get me wrong, but I just kind of like using the Honest Beauty ones. In the drawer, I just have some like little headbands to like kind of put my hair back. Also, sorry that the drawer is kind of messy. It is a makeup drawer, so that's why. But yeah. Then I also have some Bum Bum cream. In this section of my drawer, I keep a lot of like my bronzers and like foundations that I don't really use, and some lip liners. In this part, I keep like my eye like products, so like mascara, eyeliner, and that kind of stuff. And then back here, I have all my eyebrow utensils. And yeah. In these little sections, so in this section I have eyelash glue. I do have like some like little eyelash tweezers. I have regular tweezers. I have like this like liquid, what is this called? Highlighter. And then I have Q-tips. I have like professional cream right there. And then I have some highlighters right here. And then in the back, this is just a lot of like unopened makeup and like lashes and that kind of stuff. So that's all for this drawer. In this drawer, I store a lot of like my makeup palettes, like my eyeshadow palettes and things like that. In this bag, this is just like a little cute Victoria's Secret bag, and I store all of like my beauty blenders and like my brushes and all that, and most of my brushes are from Amazon. I have just like this random little rag. This is usually to like clean off like my makeup brushes. I have some Lush. I have these like silicone brush cleaners. This one's from the Dollar Tree, and then this one is from like a little thing that I got at Sephora. And then yeah, most of this stuff is just like eyeshadow, like little teeny tiny eyeshadow palettes. I have some unopened makeup. I have like more eyeshadow palettes. I have contour palettes. I have like I don't know what this is, like a teeth whitening set, even though I've never used any teeth whitener before. My grandma gave me this and I haven't used it, and I don't think it's good anymore, but yeah. Anyway, I have just more like eyeshadow stuff. I have tape. This is for like when I'm doing like eye looks and I like want them to be precise, so I tape like the ends of my eyes. You know what I'm talking about. And then I also have like these like little clear like travel bottles, so if I have to put any of like my makeup or any beauty product really in any of these, I have some extras. And everything's falling through this little crack. Oh no. I literally just got done saying how this thing was not sturdy, as you can see. And I recently on my channel just did a look with this palette. It was like a Valentine's Day look. So you should definitely go check that out if you would like to see that. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much everything that's in my vanity, specifically these drawers. I'm gonna go into a little bit more detail with my makeup up here. So starting off, I have this Makeup Revolution foundation. To be honest, I don't really like using this stuff. I only use this for like when I'm doing like makeup looks on like camera or something like that. But in real life, I do not really use this because I don't like the way it makes my skin look. It just looks super cakey and just not my favorite. I really love the Fountain of Truth skin illuminator. It's like almost like a foundation. It's like more like a BB cream, I'd say. And I really love the way this makes my skin look. And this is like the only thing I will put on my face, kind of like foundation wise. This foundation is the Physicians Formula foundation. This is like the old foundation I used to use all the time back like when I was in high school. And I just keep it because I really love the bottle, to be honest. And yeah. Next to it, I have my Earth Mama Lady Face Mineral Sunscreen. I love this stuff. This is something that I love to use like when I'm going outside and in the sun and I want to have like some like kind of like makeup coverage, but I also want to be wearing sunscreen. This is amazing and I really love this. It's very clean. It doesn't have like chemicals and that kind of stuff in it. So yeah, I love this. And then I just have like a lot of some lip products, as I said. I'm not gonna show all of them, but I will show this one. This one is my favorite lip product. It's the NYX Professional Makeup Lingerie line, and it is in the color or shade Lippy, I wanna say. It's not focusing. Focus. Ah, it almost focused. Lippy. Does that say Lippy? I'm like confused. Hold on. Okay, it's not focusing, but you guys saw. And then obviously I have my Chanel mascara, Tarte Shape Tape. I don't really use Tarte Shape Tape on a regular basis. It's more just like when I do like YouTube makeup and that kind of stuff. Then I have my Milani like little eye topper. So that basically you put on your eyeshadow and then you put this over your eyeshadow and it just makes it super sparkly and pretty. And then this is the same thing kind of, but it's by Stila. And this is in the shade Starlights. It's not really focusing though, but yeah. Love this. This is another like liquid eyeshadow. And this is by Chanel, and this is in the shade Quartz Rose. I actually did a review or unboxing with this on my channel, so I'll have that video linked below as well if you want to check that out. And then I have some Revlon lipstick and then some Wet n Wild lipstick. Then, like I said, over here I have most of like my skincare kind of stuff before I do my makeup. The first thing that I have is my little Earth Mama chapstick. I love this stuff. This is my favorite chapstick and pretty much the only chapstick I use. This is Monat. I liked this stuff, but I don't know if I'll ever buy it again because Monat is kind of like a pyramid scheme, but yeah, anyway, I have that. I did like it though. And I also have my Chanel Illuminator. I also did an unboxing on this on my channel, so I'll leave that video down below. It's the same video where I unboxed the liquid eyeshadow. So yeah. I love this. I love mixing my highlighter with this skin illuminator, and it makes your skin just super glowy and flawless. I love this. I also love my Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty moisturizer. This was in my winter favorites video, but it's just like honestly just a favorite of mine in general. I love putting this on before I do my makeup. And yeah, sometimes I put on Too Faced Hangover spray and like the primer. However, these aren't like really great for your skin. They have like chemicals and stuff, so I don't recommend it, but it does keep your makeup in place. Like I will say it works, but I don't really recommend it because it's not like the cleanest ingredients for your face. I then have some castor oil that I put on my eyebrows. I have some setting spray. This is by Flower Beauty, but I don't really use it anymore. And then I have my sunscreen that I put on my face every day. And obviously you can see I have like a bunch of like tiny samples from Chanel. I have like some hand sanitizers and just little random miscellaneous things that I don't really use all that much, so it's not even that important. But yeah, this is pretty much all the things that I use. So that is everything in my vanity. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below video requests that you have for me, or just anything you want. Make sure to follow me on social medias. They'll be in the description box below. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye!